smelling really good, and look at it if you want to see the texture. Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is me, Supriti, and if you're regular here, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. So today's video is going to be a little DIY oriented, and I'm going to be using the old soaps to turn them into an exfoliating bar. And if that's sounding a little scientific, then let me make it simpler. So I'm going to be turning my old soaps into a scrubber. So yes, we kind of really take care of our skin. We scrub it or we exfoliate it so that the dead cells are removed from the skin. But what we tend to forget is that our body skin needs to have the same amount of care that we do for our face. And this is where my video will be helpful to you. The inspiration, I would say, has come from my mom-in-law. She was the one who actually did it. So I've had a little conversation with her over phone, and she has suggested me a few ingredients that I should be using to make a scrub, and that is what I'm going to do. So let's find out in the video. I have these orange peels already dried up. I have just kept them in the sun for 2 to 3 days and the moisture is all gone. Next what I'm going to do is grind them into powder. And this is what I've got from just one orange peel, so I think one is enough. And you do not have to make a fine dust. I think this is good enough to act as a scrubbing element. So I've cut the soap into small pieces and then I'm going to melt the soap. So I am using two normal soaps that I have with me, and if you have glycerin soaps, then it's really good. So I have water already boiling, and then I'm going to place a vessel on top of it to melt the soap. So pour the soap into a container. I'm going to add this vitamin E oil. You can also use olive oil, and then some essential oil for the fragrance. And then I'm going to use these orange peels and mix it nicely. And I'm also going to be using a little bit of aloe vera gel. So mix all the ingredients properly. So I'm going to be using this cupcake paper molds, and I'm not using just one, I'm using quite few because I don't have any molding tray with me. It would be better if you can pour this mixture into a molding tray. So here goes my mixture. So for the next soap, I'll be using the cinnamon powder. Don't use fine cinnamon powder. Try to grind the cinnamon sticks that you have at home so that the texture is rough enough and helps in exfoliating. Repeat the same process, like add essential oils, aloe vera gel and vitamin E or olive oil. Cinnamon is good for acne, and mixing essential oil really improves the texture and the fragrance as well. So I let these cool down, and I think this has already solidified while I was trying to make this. So you don't have to put it into the refrigerator, it will cool down at room temperature only. If you really love watching my video and have found it a little helpful, then please like, comment and share, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, enjoy the little things in life because life is beautiful. Bye.